In this lesson, we are learning the next 6 letters of the Kom alphabet. This is PK Young tuning in to attempt a translation and a little summary of our second Kom alphabet lesson as presented to us by Nawaime Seata. In our first lesson, we learned about the first 5 letters of the Kom alphabet. In this lesson, we are learning the next 6 letters of the Kom alphabet, beginning with the first one, which is letter E, written exactly the same way as it is written in the English alphabet. Now, the sound of letter E in the Kom language is A, as used in abe, which means compound, as used in te, which means insult. The 7th letter is letter F, and that is written the same way as in the English alphabet, and it sounds in the same way. That's letter F, as we can use in the word fu. Fu means give. And then the letter F can also be used in the word fe, which means fall. So the 8th letter is letter G, written in the same way as in the English alphabet, and it sounds g, 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 just as in gufa, which means drag. Gufa means drag. Gui, gui. So you get the sound of letter g, g, gui, gui. And then the 9th is a combination, so that is a new letter of the Kom alphabet, because we don't have this combination in English. So we have 2 letters that make one, and it goes r, r, r. So letter A, we learned it last week, and we said it sounds a, a. So if you go r, then it's rao. Rao means hold. Ra means hold. Ramte. Ramte in this case means something that glues, like it glues to something. That's the word ramte, glue to something. And then we have the 10th letter, that is E. E. E is letter I. It's written the same way, and we can use it in the word ki. Ki. So ki in this case means look. Iti in this case means grinding stone, as we can apply it. Now, the last but not the least that we have for this particular second lesson is a letter I with a little cross like that. When you have it written like that in the Kom language, it stands for away, away, afu, afu, aku, aku. Aku actually stands for mortar. If you look at today's lesson, you will notice that we've learned 6 more letters of the Kom alphabet, and that takes us from letter A, which is A, and then number 2 has an A that is glued to an E, and that goes E. Third one is B, B, as in bow. Then Ch, Ch for the 4th one, D for the 5th one, and A for the 6th one, which is letter E, goes A, abe, and then we have the 7th one, which is F, F, that's fu, and then the 8th one is G, 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 as in goof, which means drag. Then the 9th one is R, 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 as in ral, which means hold. And then gamte, which means glue. And then the 10th one, we have it as E, E, which means key, as in look. Et, as in a grinding stone. And then the 11th one is U, U, which is uwe, afu, aku. And today, in this lesson, we understand that our Messiata gave us some homework, and she wanted us to be able to write down the word ifil. Ifil. When we write it down in the Kom language, we should be able to specify what that actually means in the English language. Thank you all so much. This has been PK Young trying to translate what I also learned from Nawai Atta. We encourage every other person that understands the Kom language and how to do the Kom alphabet to come out and be able to help those that are in need. Thank you so much, and thank you for listening. PK Young.